got that heat, let's go.
Hey yo, what's up people, it's vdoestech. Can we just start off by acknowledging how dope this blue is? I mean, they come in 4 colors, but there's only one right choice. Okay, I take that back. The green looks incredible, but you can't really find that color right now, so it doesn't count. But hey, I was not expecting to like these this much. All of my dislikes about these are centered around the case. Starting with the case, you get the JBL branding on top with the glossy finish. In the front is your charging indicator, and on the back is your Type-C charge port. Now these don't have wireless charge, but don't fear because they do have a lanyard. Yeah, I don't like this at all. Let me know if you would actually use this. I wish it was detachable, but it is what it is. Overall, the case has a pretty good build, but I don't think they would stay in if you drop them though. Now maybe it's just me, but make sure when you put them in, check to verify that they're actually in before just walking off. I've had a couple times when I thought they were charging, set them down, came back, and the buds hadn't clicked in all the way. But speaking of the buds, they have a really cool design on the inside along with the sensors for the in-ear detection. Make sure you do yourself the favor of trying out the different ear tips and wings to find your size. The wings have become uncomfortable for me after about an hour of use. But my ears don't really agree with 95% of earbuds, but that's my personal problem. Because when you find the right seal, yo, these fit really nice with no adjustments needed. When working out, they don't move at all. Not to mention, you want to get that right seal for that bass, because that bass is crazy with these. After you head into the JBL app and get your EQ the way you like it, I'll say these can cover just about any genre. The range is insane. They can even handle action scenes pretty nice. I mean, I can't really praise the JBL Equalizer app enough. Now the ANC is decent, but they added a new feature where you can adjust it just a little bit. It's not as in-depth as the Jabras or the Buds Pro, but it's a start. I'll take it. It's not full strength all or nothing like the Club Pros were. Now the ambient and talk through mode, they're pretty good also. The battery life is pretty good. I charged them up on Sunday. It's Tuesday. I have 20% on the case after about 16 hours of use, and that's plenty for me. Now these have no lag unless you're playing some games. They have great connection in the mics. Let's go ahead and drop a mic test right here. All right, so say you need to make a quick call while you're in the car. This is the type of mic experience you can get from the JBL Reflect Minis. Let's go ahead and roll the windows down. Did the call quality change any? This is the type of mic experience you can get from the JBL Reflect Minis with the windows down while you're in the car if you need to take a quick call. Let's keep it moving. And so check it out. This is the audio in a quiet environment. Overall, I love how these sound. If you don't care about wireless charge and having top tier ANC is not a make it or break it feature for you, these are definitely the way to go. Hit me up in the comments if you decide to pick these up and let me know what you think. Until then, I'll catch you on the next one. Later.